It was meant to be temporary, but Guantanamo Bay is still holding prisoners.
Cost approximately 17.5.
We got to walk its darkened corridors, and through the one-way mirrors used by the guards, got to see some of the men who've been here for up to 13 years, the vast majority of whom have never been charged with any crime. But some are starting to believe their wait could soon be over.
So here is a standard cell inside this facility.
That's because the cells are fast emptying. From a high of well over 700, fewer than 130 detainees remain. There's been a sudden spate of men released in recent weeks.
Well, this is Camp 5. It's in this block that detainees who are seen as less cooperative are held to punish them, to keep them away from other prisoners here. And they include the last British resident detainee, Shaka Rama.
He, like so many others, has for years been cleared for release, but his British wife and 4 children still wait for him.
It is really mind-boggling that Shaka Rama should remain at Guantanamo, or should have remained at Guantanamo for as long as he has. And as mind-boggling as it is to us on the outside, you can only imagine what it does to Shaka on the inside.
But releasing those who've already been cleared, like Shaka Rama, should be the easy part. The real test will be what to do with the prisoners still seen as a risk, who till now have never been tried.